Okay, this x is equal to sine theta. So this is sine theta and this y is equal to sine cube theta. So what you did actually, you took dx by d theta, differentiating x with respect to theta. So you will get answer as cos theta. Here you will going to differentiate y with respect to theta. You will get 3 sine square theta, and then again derivative of sine theta is cos theta. Then you did dy by dx as dy by d theta upon dx by d theta, which is nothing but 3 sine square theta cos theta upon cos theta. This theta and cos theta getting cancelled, and you will get answer as 3 sin square theta. यहां तक जो आपने किया था वो सही है. इसके बाद जब आप वापस डिफरेंशिएट करते हो, ओके, dy बाय d2y बाय dx स्क्वायर, तो ये कांस्टेंट टर्म है, ये बाहर आ जाएगा. देन यू विल गोइंग टू टेक डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin theta whole to the power of 2. It means f of x to the power of 2. So that is what? That is nothing but 2 f of x, okay, to the power of 2 minus 1. Then again you will going to take derivative of this f of x, which is sin theta. So derivative of sin theta is what? Cos theta. You are differentiating this with respect to x. So again you will going to take d theta by dx, जो आपने नहीं किया था. समझ में आया क्या ये? Okay, now 3 into 2 is 6, so I will write here 6. This will be sin theta, and this cos theta d theta by dx I will going to substitute from where? I will going to substitute this value from here. Okay, so this I can write as cos theta, cos theta, no, not cos theta. This is d theta by dx is equal to 1 by cos theta. This I can write this, right? And then when I say cos theta d theta by dx, I will get this one value I will get, right? So this entire term is 1. So I will get this 1. Is this clear? Now next what I will do, dy.
सर एक सेकंड ना, मुझे वो ऊपर की स्टेप एक बार देखनी थी. आपने
8 minutes.
ग्रीन कलर.
Fine. So I will get d2y by dx square as 6 sin theta. Now what is my question? My question says that you have to find d2y by dx square when theta is equal to pi by 2. So how I will going to write this? d2y by dx square when theta is pi by 2, that is 6 sine of pi by 2, which is nothing but 1. So 6 into 1 is 6. Done. Understood? Okay, so we can solve this same sum by another method also. Okay, you have to always make sure that you have to eliminate, means with the help of this x is equal to sine theta and y is equal to sine cube theta. Whenever you have to find d2y by dx square, try to eliminate theta. That's what I'm saying. What to do? Try to eliminate theta. When I say try to eliminate theta, what does that mean? That means that when you are trying to find dy by dx, the answer what you are getting, that should not contain theta. This should not contain theta. Okay, that's what you should try to do it. I'm not saying you should do it. You can try to do it. Okay, so what I'll do here, I will simply going to substitute the value of this sine theta over here. And then what I will get? I will get y is equal to x cube. Now I will differentiate this with respect to x. I will get 3x square. Again, I will going to differentiate this with respect to x. I will get 6x. Now what is this x? X is sine theta. So I can replace now the value of x with sine theta. So this is what my d2y by dx square is. Now I need to find this when the theta is pi by 2. So that is 6 into sine pi by 2 is 1. So the answer is 6. So this is the proper and simple and best way which you should actually prefer to solve. This is what I recommend. So what is my first step? My first step should be to eliminate the theta. How can I eliminate the theta? From here I am getting x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. I have to find d2y by dx square. So what I'll do, I will eliminate this theta. Why? Because unnecessary that parameter is coming in between. So what I'll do, I will simply write this cos theta is equal to x by a, and from here I will write sin theta is equal to y by b. Then what I'll do, then I will do squaring on both the sides. इसको स्क्वायर करूंगा, इसे भी स्क्वायर करूंगा, इसे भी स्क्वायर करूंगा, इसे भी स्क्वायर करूंगा. Now you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? तो इसको मानो इक्वेशन 1, इसको मानो इक्वेशन 2. तो इक्वेशन 1 प्लस इक्वेशन 2 अगर आप करोगे तो साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा तो 1 हो जाएगा. एंड हियर यू विल गेट x by a the whole square plus y by b the whole square. This ultimately you can write as x square plus y square. Oh no, not x square plus y square. Here it will be x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Now theta is not there, you only have x and y. Okay, now you can differentiate this with respect to x. So what you will get, here you will get 2x, a square is constant so it will be as it is. Here you will get 2y. Now b square is constant, it will remain as it is. Now 2y you did, but then again you need to differentiate, right? Y, so it will be y1 which is equal to 0. y1 is equal to minus b square upon a square x by y. Okay, now I have eliminated theta. Now what I will do, I will differentiate this with respect to x again. So this will be y2 minus b square upon a square is constant, तो वो वैसे ही रहेगा. और यहाँ क्या लगाऊंगा मैं, u by v का फॉर्मूला. वो क्या होता है, 1 by this y dx by dx that is 1. ठीक है, minus x again dy by dx which I am writing as y1. ठीक है, इतना समझ में आ गया, राइट? फिर यहाँ पर माइनस बी स्क्वायर,
yes sir.
हाँ माइनस बी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर. अब ये जो y है इसको मैं अंदर लेके जाऊंगा. जब मैं इसको अंदर लेकर गया तो ये एक y और एक y कैंसिल हो जाएगा. I will get 1 by y. ठीक है, then I will get minus, here I will get x. Substitute the value of x as a cos theta, substitute the value of y as b sin theta, and I got this. Next, what to do? Okay, so after this what I did, I have taken that minus b, this minus b square upon a square, 1 upon b sin theta plus cos square theta upon b sin cube theta I will get. Next step, I will going to substitute the value of theta as pi by 4. Why? Because we want to find d2y by dx square when theta is equal to pi by 4. So now I can cancel this cos square theta and sin square theta here like this. Why? Because it is 1 by root 2 the whole square, that is nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 2, it's getting cancelled. 1 upon sin theta plus 1 upon sin theta is 2 upon sin theta. Theta I am substituting by pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. That root 2 will come in numerator. So I will get answer is minus 2 root 2 b upon a square. Clear?